Measuring over 57 centimeters (22 inches) in length, each model requires more than 300 hours of meticulous hand assembly and finishing by Amalgam's artisans in Bristol, and is created using the original CAD designs, paint codes, and material specification supplied by McLaren. Complete with working scissor doors, an operational remote control rear wing, and fully detailed interior and aerodynamic surfaces, the 1:8 scale W1 captures not only the car's form, but the engineering intent and theatre that define McLaren's next-generation hypercar, with production of the full-scale W1 limited to 399 examples worldwide. Each priced from approximately £2 million, the 1:8 scale model offers owners a singular opportunity to preserve their precise build specification in permanent, perfectly executed form. Increasingly regarded as part of a vehicle's documented provenance, these exact replicas become woven into the car's ownership story, tangible artifacts that can enhance narrative, authenticity, and ultimately, the long-term value of the overall investment. The W1 joins the iconic McLaren F1 and the hybrid-era McLaren P1 in McLaren's most exclusive lineage cars that have come to represent not only technological milestones, but significant long-term investments. As values of the F1 and P1 have strengthened over time, the importance of provenance and originality has grown in equal measure. Increasingly, collectors are viewing exact 1:8 scale replicas as part of a vehicle's documented history, physical records of its original specification at the point of delivery. Sandy Copeman, founder of Amalgam Collection, comments, "Both the P1 and F1 have become great investments for collectors. And what we are finding is that having an exact 1:8 scale model which replicates the car becomes part of that car's history and is now just as important as having the service history, original build specification documentation, or even the luggage set, in terms of maximizing the value of the car and investment for the owner." In recent times, Amalgam models are becoming alternative investments for collectors of cars and artwork due to them holding their value. Each 1:8 scale W1 is engineered directly from McLaren's digital design data to ensure absolute dimensional accuracy. Paint finishes are matched precisely to factory standards, while interior materials and exposed carbon fiber textures are reproduced with exceptional fidelity.